When asthma is at its worst, both inflammation and hyperresponsiveness occur. Airways are obstructed through swelling, bronchospasm, and thickened mucus secretions. Asthma is mostly controllable, but severe asthma typically doesn't respond to standard treatment. The result may be long-term structural changes or remodeling in your airways. Research now shows that different kinds of asthma are defined by the different cellular pathways to inflammation. The National Institutes of Health report that about half of people with asthma have type 2 high asthma caused by increased levels of inflammatory cells, called eosinophils, in the lungs and blood.